Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Victor.
And I'm Louisa.
So today we are having a hot wing eating competition. And
100 hot wings.
100?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So the first one to lose, the first one to ask
quit.
for water. Ask for water.
Yeah.
The first one to ask for water is the loser.
Or the first one to get too full because they're 100 wings. Like, there's no way you're gonna finish 100 wings.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So
we start. Oh, we don't need a timer, yeah? No?
yeah, we don't need the time.
Okay. Let's start. How hard are these wings? How hard are they?
I don't know.
Right. Let's go! They are not really hard though. Yeah, that's the 2 bones.
If you want to. But I don't feel as
So the people want to ask for water?
no.
I think I can still go. Wait for me.
No, I was expecting more. But this one,
No, that like it's not really hard for you.
let's see. Maybe.
So we should go for who eats more instead of who quits because it's too hard. So the first one to finish the ball because it's like 50-50.
You can finish this.
If you quit, you lose.
Where did you get this wing from?
It's an African restaurant here in Rwanda.
Oh.
Right. I'm the owner of the restaurant, so I made them.
Where?
But I didn't know how hard they were going to be, you know. Why do I feel KO already? I am not winning. What about juice? Are we allowed to get juice?
No.
Why? I need some liquid to be able to take the food down.
That's cheating.
Like, come on.
Have you ever been in an eating competition before?
Never.
No.
Why do you keep eating the same bowl if you're supposed to finish the whole bowl? Because you know you got this, yeah?
No. Just don't waste food.
We have a dog.
I forgot about the dog.
What is it? How is it?
Nothing.
I know what.
No. You can't drink water.
I'm maybe feeling hot.
I'm starting to feel the.
You chilling? Me too. I feel like some we have more chili than others.
Yeah.
So we get water, both of them, both of us, so it's not like chicken.
No. Still cheating.
I think I'm winning. How many bones do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3.
I do want half. Water.
No. You either quit.
Yeah, it's really hot. Have you taken a shower?
No.
We can switch both, you know.
So that yours is hotter than mine?
I think so. I don't know.
That's right.
But wait. You don't have more wings.
That's a risk you have to take.
Come on. Let's exchange wings.
Okay.
Come on, Papa.
So you're trying to tell me.
And your wings are tinier. Why are your wings tinier though? Look at this one. Look at mine. You are cheating already. Guys, I think I'm done. I can't keep swallowing without any liquid. I don't eat like that. You quit?
No. No, you can quit.
I'm not a quitter. Okay, I am. Because I quit sports a lot. And I quit jobs a lot too. But I'm just hot. I need water. I don't think I give up.
Give up.
I give up. I can't anymore.
So guys, we have a winner.
Wait, before you say you're a winner, let's count the how many do you eat?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ay,
11.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He won.
So you see, in my country, we have this island called Zanzibar. There is where everything is, these spicy things and stuff, it's where it's manufactured. So since I was young, I used to consume this kind of stuff. So for me,
So you cheated?
no, I didn't cheat. I'm just telling you I'm used to this kind of spices and pepper, whatever.
I'm not.
So it's normal for me. I can go the whole day still.
But my bowl looks emptier than yours.
Yeah, but you still lost.
Anyway. He cheated though. Because he knew he could eat this amount of chili, and he didn't tell me.
What's the point of telling you?
Because the challenge is supposed to be fun when both of you can't really eat chili, so it's gonna be more like. But if you're used to it,
But we're not the same. Human beings weren't the same.
I don't know. So are we closing the video now, or you wanna finish the
No,
bowl?
I can't finish.
Can I redo undo my quitting?
No, you can't do it.
Anyway, we're gonna close off today's video right here. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you. Oh, we will, because I don't even know if he's gonna be here.
Guys, I'm working out. So,
Ah.
and I want to tell you, if you're one of those gymnasts, don't give up.
Why don't you tell me that? I give up. I quit a lot. But I want to start a 21-day challenge.
21, you're doing what?
Working out.
Or why 21? Why not 1 month? Or 2 months? Or 3 months?
But the thing is, when you're a beginner and you just tell someone, let's start a 3-month challenge, they're gonna be like, because I'm gonna do it with them. I'm not doing it alone.
Oh,
So
how.
yeah, so just 3 weeks. So V, are you gonna be here in the next video? Because someone suggested 24 hours with Louis V, but we don't really share 24 hours.
Well, what are we doing in 24 hours?
What our day, like our normal day,
Oh.
but we don't live together anymore, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. Maybe we just show slice part of his day, 24 hours, and my side of my days, maybe, or we just share a day together. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, but for now we are closing the video right now, and we'll see you in the next one, right? V,
Yeah, we'll see.
can you leave the bones for Ace? Thank you. Anyway. You wanna close the video? You wanna say peace out or something?
That's all for today, guys.
So much for today.
Yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Mm-hmm.
See you on the next video.